Trend Hedging Gold Expert Advisor, the deposit 100k. Currently the balance is 127,907.69. Equity is 127.889, which is 99.99%. The growth has been 27.90, and we started it on it is a duration of 1 month from July 6 to August 7 so far. The deposit is 100k, and the profit is 28,029.0797, and overall the balance is 128,029.97. Okay, and let's see how it trades. Trending Hedge Gold Expert Advisor is a gold trading expert advisor which uses scalping, grid, martingale as well as hedging. It includes all the three strategies, and it has different kind of settings. In this particular video we are using medium risk setting. And in the meantime, let's go to MyFXBook and we will come to this page again. So guys, this is a brand new gold expert advisor that we created recently, and we are testing it on a demo account currently, and we completed 1 month for this particular setting. And so far the drawdown has the maximum drawdown that has been experienced is 9.81%, and that we experienced, I guess, yesterday or day before. It is not showing that. Here you can see the growth graph, you can see the balance graph, and you can see the profit graph, and you can see the drawdown graph. So the absolute gain is 27.90%, and you will find this link in the video description. You can just check it out, and it was updated 2 hours ago in MyFXBook. Until then, these were the statistics, so you can check each and every detail about every trade over here. Okay, you can see the open trades which are currently open orders which are buy and sell stops, and there is nothing right now. And these are the history of trades. You can check each and every trade history over here. So this is all about Trend Hedging Gold Expert Advisor with medium risk setting, and it has already matched like all those FOMC news and NFP news. So you can check it out, like how this expert advisor used to open and close the trades. This expert advisor is multifunctional, right? You can customize the things based on your like how you want the expert advisor to open the trades, whether it is all in hedging, mostly in grid, or whatever, because there are a couple of settings in the gold expert advisor itself that you can fine-tune based on whether you would like to open it like a grid, or if you want to only to hedge and different kind of stuff. Okay, so within few seconds like the couple of trades has been closed, and see the execution. It uses sell stop as well as buy stop to enter the trades. And this is medium risk setting, where in the aggressive setting the settings are different, in the medium risk setting the settings are different, and in the low risk setting the settings are different. So this is medium risk setting, and this is how it goes. We all know that how wild the market was on Wednesday, day before yesterday. The market was very wild. The market has trended too much. Like if you can see here, from this point to this point, right? The market trended like it's exponentially. and Wednesday, as well as first half of Thursday, that is yesterday. So guys, this is how this expert advisors works. I have provided MyFXBook link in the video description. You can check it out, and you can find the MyFXBook link where you can find all the trading history. This expert advisor that we are trading it on a demo account, I'm telling you upfront. And we have recently created an updated version of this expert advisor named as version 2.3, which we have not installed it yet. Version 2.3 comes with many different kind of features like auto compounding, equity protection, news filter, as well as a session filter. So there are many other things that we included in the latest version, but since we were trading with our old original version since July 6, so we are still continuing with that, and the result that you already see. In the new version, we are implementing stop loss and the equity stop at a certain percentage, where we can the conservative traders can find it very useful to stop the trades, or maybe take a little bit of loss in case of worst case. Okay, so in this particular setting, medium risk setting, with the original expert advisor, without any update, without any upgrade, whatever you can see, whatever you see, it is all based on no filter and no any upgrade. Right? The maximum drawdown is under 10% in last 1 month. You will find the description, the video description, very useful, and if you have any query, feel free to contact me on Telegram or email. Both are mentioned in the video description. Please do mention the name of the expert advisor when you contact me, that is Trend Hedging Gold Expert Advisor, or maybe Trending Hedge Gold EA. The minimum requirement to trade with this expert advisor, I would say 50k, but I would recommend 100k. On 100k, the maximum drawdown that has been went is under 10%, but we don't know when the gold going to be very wide, right? And maybe in next month we will be trading with a new expert advisor with the new version where all the protections are there, but this is all without protection. So guys, thanks for being with me. The market seems to be slow, and probably you can check all the MyFXBook link and will find the latest updates over there. So thanks for being with me, and I will be updating the expert advisor results very soon, and maybe we will be creating this video again in next week, or maybe next to next week, or we will be trading with a new expert advisor soon. And stay tuned, and please check regular updates on our Telegram channel. Please join the Telegram channel, the link in the video description. Thank you very much, and talk to you soon with more updates on different expert advisor, including this one. Thank you.